Hi team, this is about the forensics technology. The forensics technology is the scientific study of or the tests which will be used during the investigation of crimes. There are so many anti-forensic technologies which are used to obstruct the forensic technologies like the encryption of data, steganography, onion routing, encryption of the data like that. So in the most of the cases, in the steganography method is being used. Steganography is in the process where the message is being hidden in a form of a text, image, or a symbol like that. For example, I have like in one of the crime situation, the attacker just kept a message called a loser and he has left from the crime scene. The forensic team had a very much challenge for regarding that word because there was no other clue except the word loser. So at that time they challenged themselves and they done some research on that, and they found out that it is RSO LE7, a Malaysian aircraft in which the attackers are boarding off. So once it is done, they went and catch the attackers. Similarly, regarding the more examples of forensics, we can get from the James Bond movies or any crime movies or the CID series which came in the Sony TV, so that it will help the various forensic techniques which is being used to detect a crime. And apart from it, there is like encryption of data, overwriting of the files or overwriting of the procedures will be there actually. So that's it from my side.